We often hear that time is money. I would add that action is money. As busy professionals with constant demands on our time and attention, we need to be able to stand out from the noise and get our clients and colleagues to respond to our communications and take action. That's where Exec-Comm's business writing program can help. We focus on 3 key elements: the words you use, the structure of your message, and your tone. The words you use: how to choose words so that you can write shorter documents that focus clearly on your message, and how to use dynamic language that drives action. The structure of your message: how to organize information in a way that's clear and engages your reader, or is persuasive if you're offering a recommendation or a solution. We also cover the visual structure of your document, how it feels on the eyes when your reader first glances at it, because that's when they decide whether to open it immediately and take action on it, or to save it for later. Your tone: how your voice comes across and how it supports your relationship with the reader and the overall purpose. What will this mean for your business? When your team and organization writes clear, concise, action-oriented documents, projects move faster, you're more productive, and you get better results.